What's up, guys? This is Will, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at a string protector that I picked up for my Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. So I know it's iPad season, but I recently picked this up maybe a month or two ago. I've been using it without a string protector. Looked around, finally decided to get a string protector, and I found this one on eBay. Some of you guys may be still using this. You're not interested in the new iPads. So here's the string protector that I wanted to bring to you. And I'll leave a link where you can pick this up. But I picked this up off of eBay for $10.50, something like that. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description below. But this is the SPARIN string protector. It's a premium tempered glass string protector. This is for the Galaxy Tab S3, S2, 9.7 inch string. This features 9H hardness. It has it's HD clear, anti-stretch, waterproof, and bubble free. So that's what you get right there. It's just a string protector. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what we got here. Yeah, the hype is the new pads now. I haven't decided if I want to pick one of those up or not. Recently sold my iPad 9.7, and after I got rid of that, I ended up picking this up and have been really enjoying this Android tablet so far. So it's been functioning pretty well. I'll probably do a video on it pretty soon. Now this is, they have the S4 out now, so this is the older version. And you can get these tablets pretty reasonable price now, since the newer stuff come out. So don't always just fall for the new stuff. Sometimes the older stuff is just as good. So let's take a look at what's all included here. So we got some content here. Installation kit. That's what we got. So we got the installation manual here. You get some cleaning wipes, 1 and 2, wet and dry. Get a microfiber cleaning cloth. You get a little squeegee here, questionnaire, and you get some guide stickers. Probably not going to use all of that. Probably just going to use microfiber cleaning cloth and the wet and dry ones. And then I'm going to try to install this on camera. Pretty big string protector that I normally use to the smaller one. So, all right, so here's the string protector. All right, let's get this stuff out of the way. Excuse my voice today, coming down with a little cold, I think. But here's the string protector. So I'm probably going to speed this part up, and then we'll take a look at the finished product. So hold on, guys. Installation wasn't too bad. Came out pretty good. I think I got one little spot right here down at the bottom that I'm going to try and work again. I think that was because I had to take it off a couple of times to get it really straight. But overall, came out pretty good. I like the way it came out. So this is supposed to be S-Pen friendly. This pen is. So let's give it a try and see how it works with the S-Pen. Let's get the brightness up a little bit here. All right, that looks better. As you can see, seems to be working fairly well. Let's lay it flat with the S-Pen. So no sensitivity problems right there at all. Let's go ahead and open up. Let's get the Play Store open here. And as you can see, no problem with the S-Pen at all. So that claim to work well with the S-Pen is definitely true. So that was my look at the SPARIN screen protector that you can pick up if you want it. I'll leave a link down in the description for your Samsung Tab S3. Catch y'all in the next video. We're out of here.